mistake. Y'all just don't know how bad that I wanted to take my faith. Me and my brothers hurt my dad, me and my mother. He beat her so bad that I don't weep and pee in my covers. I grabbed what was left of the roll and tuss and then knock it out. Put on some kid, the boys close my eyes and just try to block it out. I fight with demons, inflicting pain on myself to keep my mind off of the nights of screaming. I'm losing homies at a rapid rate, catching the drip charge. They tossing brothers in the cell. So this is a pretty deep song. This is Entice, Date with Destiny off his new street mixtape named Bishop. Believe in something higher or perish. So as I was listening to this song, I was just thinking to myself, a story is called Bob on the Job. Some people may have heard of it. But it's this man named Bob. He goes to his job every day, and at lunch he eats a peanut butter jelly sandwich. And day after day he's eating this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And his friend continues to observe him every day. And one day as Bob eating his peanut butter jelly sandwich, complaining, damn peanut butter jelly sandwich, I'm so tired of eating these peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Blah, 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 negative, negative, negative. You know, his friend offered him a suggestion and said, you know, Bob, you should tell your wife to stop fixing you peanut butter jelly sandwiches, that you don't like peanut butter jelly sandwiches. And Bob in his anger snapped at him and said, stay off my wife. She doesn't fix my lunch. I do. And that's the moral to a lot of people's stories. You know, we complain and sit back and murmur and blah, 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 negative, 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 when truly nobody else is fixing our proverbial lunch but us. You know, if it's gonna be me. If you're gonna do something, if you're gonna create it, just like that peanut butter jelly sandwich, you have the power and ability to create it. Every day you have an option and a choice to do something and to work towards your goals, your aspirations, dreams, and desires. Every day that you're blessed with waking up with your eyes open and the ability to move and to function. You know, so I would just hope that that story encourages somebody. Don't be a Bob on the job, mad at your situation, mad at your lunch, mad at your spouse, mad at the money you making, mad at your life, mad at your kids, mad at your health conditions, mad at your life. Just recognize that all of that is in a sandwich that you have made called your life. So continue to work towards your goals and develop your greatness. I'm Lorenzo.